Hey everyone, I'm back with a video to show you how I built this cross here. It's using scrap wood and common techniques with basic tools that anyone really can build. I'm going to provide the dimensions, the sizes, and the layout for you and be able to share how you can make one for yourself. It is 14 inches tall and 8 inches wide. And if you like what you see, please like and subscribe, and let's get to it. Okay, so as I have mentioned, I have cut these all out into 1/4 inch strips and went to the computer and designed a template to be able to align and identify the lengths and the amounts, and so I don't have to keep referencing the computer or a printed sheet. But this is my work table that I can be able to utilize and get the details down. But with that, I can tell that I need about uh, 22 inches of the 1 inch material, about 44 inches of the 3/4, and about 33 inches of the uh, 1/4 inch material that goes along the outside. So it looks to me like I'm only going to need about this much material to do the cross. I've chosen these because of the amount of material that I have. Just based on that, it looks like I have way more walnut uh, than I do maple and the zebra wood. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on the saw here. I'm going to take these over to the saw and cut out 3/4 inch and 1/2 inch on these just to see how it's going to look on the template. Then use the template to lay down my pieces so I can go to the crosscut saw or the miter saw and get the lengths down tight. Let's see. Now that I have my template, I want to validate the colors that I want to use. This is a little bit, more, but it's maple, walnut, and maple on the outside. So I'm going to start cutting down these distances, and I'm going to get back to you, and I'm going to show you what each one of them look like as we piece it together. So my thought is put these in a 45, put these guys into a 45, glue them together, put this one in a 45, glue it together, and do the same for all the others, and start placing them together within the template to be able to make sure I keep that cross ratio of 14/8. So uh, that's something I'm going to determine here in a second, but I first have to decide how I'm going to address these ends. and how they're going to look. So we'll get these aligned. Looks good. So let's begin. I hope you like this basic design. It is highly customizable and can really make it what you want it to be. Let me know if you have any questions and if you've got examples of your own that you could share with us.